Now the option I've decided, there's two options here. Let's talk about the first option that I'm not going to do. Okay, I could put a cut-in box behind the TV, and then I could fish a wire on down, and where that box is there, I could cut in another box next to that and fish a wire from the top there on down through that to that hole right there. Okay, then I would have to take some wire mold or something like that. It's some raceway, it's an exposed wire, and it comes in a piece of track, and you can get fittings for it, and that's how I was going to do it originally. If you've never installed that stuff, it's kind of slick, and I would have had to have done that had I not had an attic area above here. Well, I could put a box right there against the wall and then come out with some wire mold, go down the floor, go across and over, put a surface mounted box on that electrical outlet box, and then tie it into there, and I could still have a plug there, and then I would end up having a plug over here. Okay, and then I'd have the wire inside the wall going up. Because see, this would just be a junction box. Okay, you could put a plug there too if you wanted, you know, in case you have a lamp on your dresser or something. But then I'm going to run a cable I would run a cable on the inside of the wall to a cut-in box up here, put a plug in there, and plug the TV in there. Whew, that sounds like a lot of work, huh? But that's what you would have to do if you don't have a plug on this wall and if you don't have an attic. Okay, that's the first option. What's the second one? Do you have any ideas and thoughts about that? You've listened to everything I've said so far. What would you do here?